everyone. My name is Gershon Skepper and I'm a youth change agent at All for Education Olifanzuk Youth Center. However, I am not alone. I'm with my fellow colleagues and I would like to give them the opportunity to introduce themselves.
Good day everyone, my name is Pilonka Chinyani and I am a youth change agent at All for Education Olifanzuk Youth Center.
Goedendag allemaal. Mijn naam is Ruthia Pro. Ik is een youth agent voor All for Education bij de Olifanzuk Youth Center.
Goedendag allemaal, ik is Prins Pieters. Ik is een youth change agent voor All for Education at the Olifanzuk Youth Center.
Okay, thank you very much, Pelontle, Ruthie, and Prince. Welcome to day 2 of our Mental Illness Awareness Month series. So today I would like us to go deeper into understanding the differences between mental health and mental illness. With that being said, I would like to ask Pelontle to please explain the difference for us.
Thank you so much for the opportunity. As we all know that mental health is about our emotional, psychological and social well-being. Whereas mental illness is a health condition that affects a person's behavior, their day-to-day decision making and their lifestyle. Mental illness can affect anyone regardless of their age, their gender and also their background.
Okay.
Most people in the community deal with mental illnesses in silence because they fear being judged by others. But however, we can replace stigma with kindness, understanding, and support.
Okay, thank you very much, Pelontle. There you have it, guys. The difference between mental health and mental illness. With that being said, I would like to ask Prince, why do you think we can encourage our community members to acknowledge their mental illness?
Okay, thank you for the opportunity, firstly. So I think how we can improve our community is by supporting one another, creating a safe and non-judgmental environment where we influence each other in a positive way. And one of the most important things is when dealing with a problem, the first thing to do is acknowledge that you have a problem. And remember, it's okay to ask for help. We are here to support one another. Thank you.
Thank you very much, friends. So there you have it, guys. Let's create a safe space, non-judgmental environment. And lastly, it starts with you to acknowledge that you have a mental illness problem. Ruthie, can you please elaborate for us the importance of mental health?
Ek dink mental health is baie belangrik want Prins kan nie sê hy is 100% homself, maar sy mind is nie okay nie. Want ten einde van die dag affekteer dit sy skool, sy werk, sy verhoudings en sy fisiese gesondheid. Hy voel moeg, hy voel siek en alles net omdat sy mind nie okay is nie. So om 100% jouself te wees, moet jou mind okay wees.
Okay, thank you very much, Ruthie. So guys, you worried yourself with your own views. Positive mind, positive body, positive attitude. However, I would like you guys to subscribe, like and comment on our social media platforms via TikTok and via Facebook. Thank you very much.